This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Latina. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 3-bed, 2-bath villa. Placed in the gated Breckinridge Golf and Tennis Club, this must-see 2-floor home has been extremely well maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. The fabulous community also offers full upscale amenities like pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, fitness center, bocce ball, and access to the country club and golf. Enter inside the foyer with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with seamless entertainment to the living room, and kitchen. This open kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, beautiful countertops, and room for bar seating. Across from the living room, sliding glass doors open up to the patio with a water view. The first floor master suite has new hardwood floors and neutral interior. The master suite includes a large attached full bath with dual sinks, and walk-in shower. Upstairs you will find the additional 2 bedrooms that share the upstairs full bath. Other features include a patio and attached 1-car garage with additional storage and parking for guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Latina at 239-659-4200.